Alright, I've just got a short video tonight. Did a bunch more cleaning today. That's the color of the tile going into my bathroom. These pieces are massive. For a size reference, I'm not a small person. And these are so stinking heavy. They looked so nice in the store. And I thought, hey, great big ones. That means I have to put less down. Problem with that is it takes 11 packs of these. I believe there's 4 in each one. I'm not positive. As you can see right there, they're 45 by 90. And they're unbelievably heavy. I was only able to pick up one at a time. So just something to think about when you're tiling if you're doing the job. If it's a great big one, it's going to be a pain, especially if you have to lug it up or down stairs. But yeah, that'll fill this room here. Obviously there's the shower, but we'll have a L-shaped vanity there to there, toilet underneath there, but all the rest of the space in here is going to be filled with that tile. I'll probably do a built-in along this wall as well for some more storage. But yeah, something to think about with tile. Really massive ones might look kind of cool, but if you're doing it yourself, consider that they can be incredibly heavy. See you later.